Let me tell you about the most embarrassing approach attempt of my life. Think about this. Picture this. I'm 18, fresh out of high school, zero game, but I just got a fresh haircut, so I'm feeling unstoppable. You know the feeling. I'm at the mall with my friends, and across the food court, boom, I see her, the most gorgeous woman I've ever laid eyes on, like Instagram model level fine. My boys see me looking and start hyping me up. Bro, go talk to her. You got this, my guy. She's probably waiting for you, bro. Now, my heart's racing, but I'm thinking, you know what? Yeah, I got this. So I get up, I start walking over, then halfway there, my brain, it just malfunctions. What do I say? What do I compliment her? What if she rejects me? What if she laughs? What if? All these what ifs. Next thing I know, I'm standing right in front of her, staring, silence. She looks at me like, can I help you? And my dumb panicking brain goes, nice nachos. Bro, she wasn't even eating nachos. I blacked out after that. I think I mumbled something else and power walked straight into a Foot Locker to hide. My friends across the way dying laughing. And that's when I realized confidence isn't about avoiding embarrassment. It's about being able to handle it. Because the truth is, we all mess up. But the guys who win are the ones who learn from it, adapt, and keep going. And that's exactly what I'm gonna teach you today. By the end of this video, you'll have the mindset, confidence, and game to walk up to any woman without fear, without overthinking, and without ending up in a Foot Locker witness protection program. But real quick, if you've ever crashed and burned so hard you had to leave the country, when you asked a girl, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get into it. All right, let's break this down. Why do you freeze up when you see a beautiful woman? It's because your brain is playing the worst case scenario Olympics. That's why. You're thinking, she's gonna reject me. She's gonna laugh. People will see and post my L on TikTok. Your brain turns one simple hello into a life or death situation. And guess what? That fear, it's a scam, bro. Seriously, the worst that happens is she's not interested. That's it. No police report, no SWAT team, just a woman who moves on with her day. But here's where it gets crazy. Women actually want to be approached. Yes, even the super attractive ones. But they want it done confidently, not in a, hi, I saw you and do you like air? Or in my case, nice nachos. We're fixing that today though. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Women aren't these mystical creatures you need cheat codes to talk to. They are just people. Yes, just people. You ever asked a stranger for directions? Boom. You just approach a human being. No drama, no breakdown, just a normal convo. It's the same with women. If you stop putting them on a pedestal, now I get it though. You see a woman, she's so attractive, your brain malfunctions. Like you heard before, I've been there. You start negotiating with yourself like a hostage situation. Maybe I'll talk to her after I get in shape. Maybe I need a better job first. Maybe next year. Stop, bro. Just stop. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable with who you are right now. No woman is sitting there thinking, I'd date him if I had a six-pack and an MBA. She just wants a dude who's comfortable in his own skin. He's just confident for who he is. Now let's get practical. How to approach like a champ. You see a woman you want to talk to, here's the 3-step cheat code to follow. 1, the walk up. Don't hover, don't stalk, don't accidentally walk by 12 times like you're in an FBI sting operation, all right? Just walk over casually and stand confidently. If you hesitate, it shows. If you walk in like you belong there, boom, she already feels your presence. 2, the opener. Here's a secret. Keep it simple. No corny pickup lines. You don't need these. No forced jokes. Just comment on the environment or say something direct like, hey, I saw you and for some reason I had to come say hi. What's your name? Or, I could feel your positive energy from back there. I just had to come say hi. Confident. No gimmicks, no pickup lines, no corny dad jokes, none of it. 3, the exit plan. Here's where most guys mess up. They try to keep the convo going forever and it gets awkward. You guys don't know each other yet. Instead, talk for a few minutes and then say, I'd love to continue this, but I gotta run. Let's exchange numbers. Simple, direct, powerful, real quick. Confidence is also about looking the part, and that's where NAVI eyewear comes in. These aren't gas station sunglasses that break in 2 weeks. NAVI eyewear gives you luxury quality sunglasses at an insane deal. Right now, you buy 1 pair, you get any 4 free. Yeah, you heard that right. 5 pairs for the price of 1. Plus free shipping. It's crazy. And if you lose them, NAVI replaces them. Just add all 5 pairs to your cart and the discount automatically applies at checkout. I rock these because they're stylish, durable, and make approaching women in broad daylight way easier. Link in the description. Grab yours now. All right, let's get back to business. Destroying fear once and for all. Confidence is built through action with anything you do. The more you approach, the less you care about rejection. It stops being scary. Here's a challenge for you. This week, I want you to approach 5 women, not to get their numbers, just to say anything. Ask for the time, give a compliment, whatever it is, just approach them. The goal is to rewire your brain to see approaching as normal, to get past the heart flutters and full-on panic mode that you're experiencing. I would do this with random women in the grocery store daily, even the checkout clerk. This is the simple trick that made me great at approaching any woman or any person for that matter. And here's the crazy part. The first few will feel awkward and that's fine, but by the 5th, you'll be 10 times smoother than when you first started. This goes for anything in your life. At the end of the day, approaching women isn't about memorizing lines or being perfect. It's about showing up confidently and making a connection. So, if you're tired of watching women walk away and regretting it later, take action now. You got nothing to lose. And if you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment on your funniest rejection story. Let's laugh together. And don't forget, grab your NAVI eyewear before the deal disappears. 5 pairs, free shipping, lost or broken replacement. That's confidence in a box. Links below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.